Good evening, everyone. Welcome to my channel AM Auto Academy. This is Ganesh from Tamil Nadu. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the prestigious job role in ISRO, the Department of Science and Government of India. Let's fully discuss the notification. First, the advertisement number ISRO ICRB 02 AMC 2025, dated 27/5/2025. The centralized recruitment board of ISRO, which is going to conduct your interview, examination, etc. The recruitment of scientist engineer post in ISRO. BE B.Tech is eligible with equivalent degree in electronics, mechanical and computer science. With additional degree is also eligible. ISRO, the Department of Space Center units are engaged in R&D activities in the realm of space applications, space science and technology, the benefit of society at large and saving the nation by achieving the self-reliance and developing capacity to design and build launch vehicles and communication remote sensing satellites and thereby launch them. So your job will be in ISRO Space Center, Sriharikota, launching pads, project center, then space applications, space science, technology development related work. So we can discuss. So online applications are invited. A group A gazetted post, scientist engineer post, level 10 of pay matrix, and an autonomous body under DOS group A non-gazette post as detailed below. So we can see this. Actually, this is a group A non-gazette post. See, scientist, first number of vacancies, scientist in electronics 113. Let me discuss mechanical BE 002, scientist engineer mechanical 160 vacancies, and vacancies identified are filling up with PWBD, means person with a disability is given something 4953, some disability category is there, so they have given for them. So BE or B equivalent in mechanical engineering with aggregate minimum of 65 marks you should be have in percentage. When you are converting in CGPA, it should be there in 6.84. minimum 6.84 is compulsory, you need to be there. Then computer science 44, then electronics 2, then again computer science PRL category 1. So where will be your vacancies for PWBD, means HSFC Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Magendragiri, Ahmedabad, Sriharikota, then URSC Bengaluru, LPSC Valaimala, then Thiruvananthapuram. So these are the categories are given. Then again Bengaluru, then Ahmedabad. So A, B, C means the different categories of person with disability. Then BE 002, which is our mechanical department. So as usual, going to complete the above course in the academic year are eligible to apply. So last year students also eligible. Before this date, you should be have the degree course certificate. 65 marks is needed and 6.84 CGP. B is eligible. CGP certificate you need to buy in the respected universities. We can discuss about the detailed reservation for all communities will be released later. In case of you are working in a government sector, means no NOC certificate should be submitted. So first of all, the application fees, non-refundable application fees is 250 rupees, and then initially you need to pay 750 for SC ST person with disability and ex-serviceman, and 500 for other candidates, and it will be returned after your written test. After your written test, those who are appearing for the written test, the refund amount will be given to you. The 250 will not be refunded because it is a initial fee. Bank account you need to provide, so it will be sent to you after your written examination. It will be a multiple choice question. C. Since the main thing, single objective type paper, it consists of two parts, part A and part B, a duration of 120 minutes. compensation time will be given for disability candidates. First A, part A is 80 multiple choice question, which is our degree level technical questions. Each question carries 1 mark, and negative is there. For each negative questions, we will get minus 1/3. So it is the deciding factor. And next, part B, which is aptitude ability test, consists of 15 multiple choice questions. Okay, total of 20 marks with no negative marks. In this, no negative mark is there. In some exams, they have say be compulsory you need to get 10 marks like that in ISRO, but yet they have not mentioned for you. So it is enough to get. It is enough to score. It is enough to get you minimum marks. But in some exam, they have says you that minimum 10 marks is needed like that. Okay. Then interview will be there based on the performance in written test. 1:5. In case of 5 post means 25 members will be called for you. So here 350 vacancies. So 350 into 5. Like that in ratio you will be called in 1:5 ratio with aggregate minimum of 10 candidates. So reserved vacancies, as per vacancies it will be, as per reserved vacancy 1:5 ratio will be called. Attribute marks allocation. This is after your written test. For interview, technical knowledge interview, a board will be given, whiteboard, a marker will be given, and you need to explain like that. 40 marks on general awareness in your technical field, then presentation communication skill, then comprehension per 10, then academic achievements. If you are a IIT, IAS, NIT student means you will get 3 marks, depend on your percentage. Above 9 means 84 marks, above 7.9 2 marks like that. So qualifying criteria, unreserved categories 50% each in part A and part B. Definitely want to get part A and part B 50% marks. In interview 150 means you will be qualified. So reserved candidates for PWD candidates, person with disability means 40% is enough. There it is a minimum quantity. So to get job 50% is not enough. Tiebreaker, in case of tiebreaker, written test, those who scored high marks in written test will be eligible to get posting. Then essential qualification, then date of birth. The older candidates will be placed first. So the scientist level post, group A non-gazetteers, which starting salary will be 56,100. All the allowance will be given to you. Medical facilities, limited quotas only they have mentioned. However, you will get future. You will be transferred at any unit at center at point on need on basis. The posts are temporary but likely to continue, they are saying, but it's a permanent post only. Second class train fare will be given by the shortest route of city in the online application, the place of interview. After your written test interview, in the short span of kilometers, they will give you a second class free ticket. At the time of interview, you need to produce all the original certificates. So canvassing in any form will be disqualification. Regularly you check the ISRO website. The answer key is published in ISRO website within 3 working days of written test. After written test, we will get the answer key. So opening date of online registration is 27/5, closing date is 16/6, and the last day of payment is 18/6. So first of all, congratulations. Congratulations means that you are going to get the job of prestigious ISRO. So try your best. So we will provide you guidance in technical and as interview. One of my friend now has been cleared technical assistant post in ISRO, and I have been working in Bengaluru. So it is a very clearing written exam is easy. In interview, it going to be a deciding factor. The 1 mark, 2 mark, you are going to lose the job. So keep now itself written marks. Keep aim high to score in written marks. So this will be a safety side. So we will discuss future things in the next video. Thank you.